Go ahead.
Cut like a blade, sharp force serrated. Wordplay Wimbledon, yeah, we are the greatest. Lightning striking, flight MCs fighting, asthma attack, and it's time for reviving. Albuterol for the human psyche. Rocking so hard in my air dunk Nikes. Sketching your cars when we play poker nightly. Staying up late and I get hella hypey. Verbal hysteria, I get struck by mysterious malaria. Cordon off the area with many of these barriers. Then you load your headphones up with a taste of the hip-hop zombie that's present in the place. Drink the punch and hope it's not laced. If it is, I'll toss you in the moat without a trace. I'm a Loch Ness monster. Load of rocket launchers. I eat up these flows like I rode with the Donners. Party will pardon, please. I spit philosophy. While you're killing one, well, I've already bodied three. Lahar flows sets me aside in the volcano league. I got some weaknesses, but they are meager. I'm eager to blow up like a beeper. Created in a beaker, turn me into this creature with features so savage I ravage. Living so lavish, fine rack of ribs or deep fried catfish. I hit up Uncle Therm for that germ, make my belly feel firm. As that vinyl just turns and now it's waxing so wickedly. I am the man of magical mystery. You can stare me in the eye, but you're defying iniquity. I must be a butcher the way that I slaughter these. Rhyme so sublime it's divine when you comprehend the rhyme.
Trevor Hatch.
I'm telling you, man.
I mean, Sugarcane Maverick.
At Sugarcane Mav, Twitter.
Getting it in.
Getting it in.
Wins coma. Going down M Street. Getting it in.
Just getting it in.
You know, hometown. 2x3.
East side.
That's Leslie in the back.
East side all day. Yo, yo.
Oh, shoot.